car, so come on, let's ride to the liquor store around the corner. The boys say they want some gin and juice, but I really don't wanna be a buzz like I had last week. I must stay deep, cause talk is cheap. I like Angela, Pamela, Sandra, and Rita. And as I continue, you know they're getting sweeter. So what can I do? I really bag you, my lord. To me, flirting is just like a sport. Anything fly, it's all good. Let me jump in, please sing in the trumpet. A little bit of Monica in my life, a little bit of Erica by my side, a little bit of Rita's all I need, a little bit of Tina's what I see, a little bit of Sandra.
God, it's the litter from yesterday. Taylor, what are you doing? The car might come back. Let's go. Leave it. Somebody will pick it up sooner or later. You know what? That somebody will be me. Has littering. Oh my God, we just heard a scary noise coming out of those bushes over there. Oh my God! No! Oh my God, we don't know where Tara went. We have to try to find her. Come on. Oh my God, did you just hear that scream? Where'd it come from? Johnny, check the bushes! Tara, are you in here? Tara! Oh my God, where is she? I don't know! Don't look at me! Help! Here, hold on! Tara, are you in here? Tara! I don't think she's here. Neither do I, but I hear a scream. Holy shit, I'm so fucking scared. I think I'm about to wet myself. Oh my God, did you see that car? It was like following us. Will we ever find Tara?